until tomorrow. I don't wanna say goodbye until tomorrow. Give me one more moment.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Fabricating Fringe. My name's Amber, as many of you guys know, and today I'm sharing this beautiful wig for MIMO Wigs, who I love, and this is a Jon Renau, and this is from their new fall collection. This wig is called Clair, and it's in a favorite shade of mine. This is 12 FS12, also known as Malibu Blonde. This is from the California Blonde collection, and it's just lovely. I love this style. I love the wave. I love the length. I mean, what's there not to love about this? It is so lovely. I love it. So if you guys want to check out this wig over at MIMO Wigs, you can actually get 15% off using the code AMBERS AMIGOS. And I wanted to throw that out there before I did anything else, so I didn't forget. But let's move on to this beautiful shade and talk about this wig. So Jon Renau just launched their fall 2019 collection, and all of the styles in that collection they're pretty. I like them. I just tried the Ariana, the long sleek one. I love long sleek hair, but for my mom life, something about this length, maybe a little bit longer, it's a little bit more logical for me, and I'm always smitten with a little bit of wave. It just looks so natural and fun, flirty. Give me some wave, give me some of that, please. So Clair is just so cute. And this 12 FS12 has always been a favorite of mine. If you guys have been following me for quite some time, I started out with Toffee Truffle, which I still love, but I have been lightening up my color palette, if you will, and getting more into the blondes, the rooted blondes, the lighter brunettes. And so this is probably my favorite shade out of the California Blonde collection, and I just like it. I just like it. So let's talk about 12 FS12, and then we'll move on to Clair. You know, everybody describes these shades a little bit differently. Some people think of it as blonde. Some people think of it as kind of like a light brown. I mean, honestly, there are some sites that describe it as a light gold brown, a light gold blonde, and a pale natural gold blonde blend. So all those beautiful shades are blended together to create this gorgeous blend of beautiful colors. Can you see all of that? All blended together with a shaded light gold brown root. Shaded meaning it's been rooted. Having that root, I think, makes this color look more natural, especially if you are used to having a darker hair color. Oftentimes you can, get away with wearing a lighter shade and pulling out the perimeter of your biological hair, and utilizing that darker biological hair because of that darker root on this blonde shade. I just love it. How many times can I say that? Am I getting through to you guys? I love it. Who else loves Malibu Blonde? I know it's a favorite, along with 12 FS8, which is pretty much the exact same shade, aside from the root, which is level 8. It's a darker brown. Well, let's see. Yeah, this is a lighter brown, a 12, and the 12 FS8 is like a medium brown. So anyway, so I don't know about you, but I think Clair, the name especially, which I love, it's kind of a family name, so I won't say more than that because it's the internet, TMI on the internet. Anyway, I love the name Clair, and also it definitely has these romantic, beautiful, loose waves. This is a gorgeous, easy-going, flowing, loosely waved, dropping, curled style, if that makes sense. And I'm going to say it again. I love it. This wig has a SmartLace front, so although it looks lovely swept to the side, left or right, middle, you name it, you can do what you want because of that SmartLace. But you can utilize that SmartLace front and you can twist her back, you can braid her back, you can pull it half up. You could do the most beautiful tousled updo with this style and utilize these waves. I am a little bit obsessed with this style. I love it. The more I play with it, the more I like it. I tried it on the other day and I put a ball cap over it. I felt like the color was different. I'm so used to 12 FS12 on my human hair that I was like, is this 12 FS12? This can't be 12 FS12. But you just have to be very mindful that the colors, even in the same color code, they vary from human, HD synthetic, and synthetic fiber. So keep that in mind. Regardless, though, the color is so gorgeous. Along with this SmartLace front, you have a monofilament top. So you have all that glorious room for multi-directional parting, creative styling, and wearing that hair like you grew it yourself. This is my type of wig. Anything that has a lace front, mono top, anything that I can utilize and wear and style like I grew the hair myself gets a thumbs up for me. I do like a non-lace front sometimes if it has a bang or side swept bang because they're really comfortable, but I like this. I like this cap construction. So speaking of cap construction, let's take off this cap and show you guys the inside. Okay, so this liner is really loose. Need to put on a new one. I just like these old school liners. I use the Jon Renau wig liners and I like them. Okay, so here is Clair. All right. So here is Clair, the inside of the cap construction. You have a really nice okay, so you have a really nice hand-tied lace front. This is their welded lace. It's very durable. I mean, you'd still need to be mindful of your lace front. I mean, you want to treat it nicely. You want it to last. I mean, this is an investment, so you want to be mindful of that. But this is a nice hand-tied, beautiful lace front, so you can wear it off the face. You can part it. Yes, sirree. And then you have a hand-tied monofilament top, which allows for multi-directional parting, and it looks like the hair is growing right out of your scalp. You also have open wefted remaining area of your cap. You have your velvet ear tabs with the bendable wire. That makes it nice and comfortable with that velvet. And you have a velvet nape with the adjustable straps. These straps, I'm sure you guys all know, but these straps just make it so that you can fit that wig cap more true to size. Now this cap is average. I wear exactly an average size cap. My head is average to the T, and Jon Renau wigs fit me like a glove. So just to give you guys an idea of that. Look at this beautiful color up close. So beautiful. Now this is synthetic fiber, so you want to use synthetic hair care products on this wig. Use your wide tooth comb to detangle. The nice thing with this type of gorgeous fiber is that it looks and feels like real hair, and yet you can wash it, shake it out, let it dry, and this gorgeous wave, this beautiful, relaxed, romantic wave is built into the wig, and it's ready to wear. That's the nice thing about these wigs. They are ready to wear. SmartLace synthetic wigs. So you can plop these beauties on and they are ready to wear straight out of the box. And the styles are baked into the wig. They ain't going nowhere. Now you can maintain the styles. Sometimes waves like this can drop over time if they are stored on a wig stand. So if you put, like, for instance, a wig cap, or you can also utilize this mesh thing that it's wrapped in, the way that it comes, that will help keep these curls nice and not tight because these are loose. Keep it from further dropping, you know, having gravity pull it over time. I often keep my wigs in the box to keep it from dust and debris, but when it's stored in the box, sometimes they can become smushed as well, so it's kind of one of those give-take things on the wig stand. It looks nice, it doesn't get smushed, but the curls and that can drop over time because of gravity. So you can kind of pick and choose what will work for you. Also, I don't have any room in this house. No room! My kids take up all the space, so they go back in the box. Anyway, you guys don't need to know all that in this review. This is all about Clair, not about my storage space in my house. So if you are interested in this beautiful Clair wig, check out MIMO. I don't even think we talked about the links of Clair, so let's put her back on and give you the links and weight of this beautiful favorite style of mine. I love these tousled waves. Just love them. So what I would do, because of the dark root, pull out some of my bio hair, maybe do a twist, add a clip. I love this. Okay, so let's talk about the lengths and weight of this wig. Bang on Clair is 14 inches. Crown is 13.5 inches. Your sides on Clair are 10.75 inches. And your nape is 9 inches. This is a wonderful mid to long length style. I wouldn't classify this as a bob per se, but you know, slightly longer than that. Pretty much hits below the collarbone. Without these waves, a little bit longer than that. A fantastic length. Wonderful. Very logical for a busy lifestyle. Yet glamorous, and can be worn, you know, casual, fancy, worn in up styles because you do have length, twisted up, pulled up, ponytails, pigtails, updos, braids, you name it, you can do it because you have length on this wig, yet it's not, you know, hanging down your back and getting in your way. So, yes, ma'am, I like this. Okay, so if you guys want to check out MIMO wigs, all those links will be down below. She ships worldwide. Amber's Amigos can get you guys 15% off. Let me know what you guys think about Clair from Jon Renau and 12FS12 Malibu Blonde. It is a favorite. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye. Rewind, rewind. I forgot to do a turnaround. I don't want anybody commenting and saying, wait a minute, you didn't do a turnaround. So here you go. Okay, here's the real goodbye. See ya.
I can see the snow falling.